Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 11 of chapter 7, section 2. Evaluate the integral 0 through pi by 2, 7 times sine square x times cosine square x dx. Note that both sine and cosine have even exponents. Here we need to check how differently we can write the integrand, which is sine square x cosine square x. So let's recap the double angle formula from trigonometry. 2 sine x cosine x equal to sine 2x, which is double angle formula for sine. So if you divide both sides by 2, you get sine x cosine x equal to, on the right hand side, sine 2x over 2. If you square both sides, you get sine x cosine x the whole square equal to sine 2x over 2 the whole square, which will become sine square 2x over 4. Then how differently can we write the sine squared 2x? We have already done several problems involving sine square or cosine square. So sine square is always written as 1 minus cosine 2x over 2 whenever you use it in integral formulas. So it is half angle formula. Here, instead of sine square x, we have sine square of 2x, sine square of 2x. So this x becomes 2x. So this x becomes 2x as well. So you get 1 minus cosine of 2 times 2x, so 4x over 2. So substituting back into step 1 here, sine x cosine x the whole square, which is sine square x times cosine square x, which is our integrand actually, a part of integrand, but for the constant. So now it is from 2, by substituting for sine square x cosine square x, we get that will be 1 minus cosine of 4x over 2, that is for sine square 2x, and then you have a divided by 4 in that expression. So that will be a 4 over here. So it becomes 1 minus cosine of 4x over 8. So this part, which is sine square x times cosine square x alone, becomes 1 minus cosine of 4x over 8. Now we can start to integrate. So I equal to integral 0 through pi by 2, 7 times sine square x cosine square x, 7 times sine square x cosine square x dx. This is the problem given. 7 can be taken out of the integral sign being a constant. Integral 0 through pi by 2, sine square cosine square x dx. From what we have just shown, this can be written as 7 times integral sine square cosine square can be replaced by 1 minus cosine of 4x over 8 dx between 0 through pi by 2. So you can take the 7 1/8 outside. So it is integral 0 through pi by 2, 1 minus cosine of 4x. So it is 7 over 8. When you integrate, it becomes x minus sine of 4x over 4. Integral of cosine 4x is sine of 4x over 4 between 0 and pi by 2. So it becomes 7/8 times pi by 2 minus sine of 4 times pi by 2 over 4. And at the lower limit it's anyway 0. So it is 7/8 times pi by 2 minus sine of 4 times pi by 2. So it will become sine of 2 pi over 4. So that will be a 0 also. So it is 7 pi over 16. Hope this video helps.